Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're returning back, thank you for coming back. But first, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button so you can have fresh new content from me every single week. Let's make our lemonade smoothie. So first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna add some lemon juice. I have plant-based milk here. You can use any milk of your preference. Just add a little bit of lemon juice here. I'm also gonna add some pure lemon extract. I'm gonna use a capful, maybe a capful and a half. And now I'm going to use some lemon yogurt. You can use any yogurt of your choice. I am using lemon. Oh my gosh, it smells so fresh in here. I wish you guys could smell it. And now I'm going to add some protein collagen powder. This is optional, but I love collagen because it's great for your skin, hair, and nails. So if you're someone who wants to improve that, add a little bit of collagen powder. 1 scoop to your smoothie. So we're gonna add some oatmeal, about 3 tablespoons of oatmeal. There we go. Now we're gonna add some honey. Now you can use honey, because I think lemon tastes better with honey. So we're doing lemonade. Or you can use some other type of sweetener that you like. So I have a vanilla frozen yogurt ball. So we have our ingredients here for our lemonade smoothie. So we're gonna blend it now. Lemonade smoothie. Lemon yogurt, A, C, and calcium. Lemons, C, B6, and potassium. Oatmeal, B1, manganese, biotin, and thiamine fiber. Protein powder, B6, B12, riboflavin, thiamine, pantothenic acid, selenium, and zinc. Lemon juice, C, B6, and potassium. Lemon extract, C, and flavonoids. And honey, calcium, manganese, niacin, pantothenic acid, and potassium. Here's our lemonade smoothie. And here are a list of ingredients. Now, here's a trick. If you don't know, you want to take any citrus fruit that you have, lemon, lime, or orange, and you want to freeze it. It allows it to flow much smoothly on your microblade. Okay? Families often have to make distressing choices due to food insecurity. Well, here's our lemonade smoothie. Yeah, I know he has a smaller glass, but Gio was kind of skeptical about this lemonade smoothie and didn't want that much, so I'm hoping I could turn him around and make him feel bad that he didn't have more like me. So, our resident taste testers here, Gio, let us know, Mr. Skeptic, you were worried about it.
Well, let's see. So definitely tastes like lemonade with the zest and the lemon and everything put together. So it's pretty refreshing, I'd say. You know, after a hot summer day coming in, this would be a nice, thick, creamy, overall tasty lemonade smoothie that would hit the spot right after a workout, a run, whatever you're doing, even just out in the sun.
So let me try it. He's right. I taste definitely the honey in here, and I taste definitely the lemon as well. Guys, if you try this, and I'm going to suggest you really do, let me know how it turned out for you in the comments. Joe and I will see you in our next video. And don't forget, be good to yourself, and God bless you. Mwah.